trip to the local wood yard. Some 12mm ply for the floor, 6mm MDF, and some timber for the lift up bed above. I've got to retrim them trims to go back on because it's a slightly shade that's more grey, and what we've got here is silver. So I might retrim them, because then when I do the bed, you're not even going to notice that that's the darker grey, to be fair. But just in here, quick one, this side went bang on, absolutely brilliant. This side here, at the back, absolutely bang on. But we had a bit of a fuck up here.
I fucked up, and I always fuck up. I am a fuck up.
3 times I pulled it off, and I know they say it's stretch carpet, but yeah, it stretches, but it don't go back once you've stretched it. Once you've pulled the fibres apart, that's it. The stretch, the baggy, and it's just worse. So I just thought, it was getting late in the day, and I lost patience basically. But what I thought is, what we can do here is,
this isn't a situation where I can just wave a magic.
So that's going to cover that joint. You're not going to see that really. End panel here. Maybe put a bit over there to cover that. The end panel will come here, so you're never really going to see that. This bit here, I'm thinking of putting an insert in there and putting one of them blinds on from IKEA to make it look like it's part of it. So in theory, that'll get rid of that bit, and then I might put a bit of a pub stand on the back of the kitchen worktop. We'll see anyway. But yeah, bit disappointed with that, but I'm sure in the end we're not going to see it. But apart from that, it's bang on. Yeah, it's a bit wobbly there, but it's wobbly because there's wires under there, that's all. It's all nice and tight up, there's wires. And when the trim's on there, you won't see a lot of that anyway. So anyway, yep, so let's crack on today while the weather's nice. Whoosh. So just checking that the old boards fit, and we'll use them on there with some trestles out of there, set up here, and we'll get that side cut and try it. Smoothie Saturday. Cheers. Jesus, how rosy are my cheeks. Nice day though, and I've got an hat on and I'm sweating my tits off. But we need to address the elephant in the room. So when we got the pop top done, we took a sample of this over with us, and they said they could do it the same. But their silver is more grey than our silver. So, as you can see, it's not gonna match, is it? It's gonna look a bit of a mess. So, that front shape bit at the top's gonna have to come off. And I think I'm gonna have to retrim these in our, what I'd call is silver. That's grey. I think I wanted grey originally, but I think it adds a bit more muck than a silver. But same again online, you can't trust the colours, and it did look grey like that one, but it came like that, and too late anyway. So what we'll do is we'll retrim these, and then obviously there's a bed going up there that we're going to make out of that MDF and that timber, and it'll all match then. All match silver instead of the grey. So right, start stripping that. Not looking forward to it, but it's got to be done. So what's in the box? Shall we have a look? Who doesn't love an unboxing video? Let's have a look what we got. Ooh. What have we got? Oh, some LED light strips. They're gonna go on there like that. One there, one there, one there, one there. There was a tenner off Amazon for 4 LEDs. What else did we order? What else did we order? That's rivet not gone. So we make the bed and put the struts on, fasten it into the fiberglass. That's very good. We like that. And then a foot pump. This Corey's nicked my other one. Yes, new pump. No gas struts though. Where's my struts? Where's my gas struts? Very good. Not on prime then. Not all things are prime. So, weather's a bit crap outside. Got no room anyway. So we've got the Connie. So we'll get the carpet done. So we're going to have to put everything backwards, or it'll come out wrong because it's upside down. So yeah, let's get this done then. Jesus, runny nose. Stamp. Crappy weather. Sliders on. So we're going to need to fettle it in a little bit because it's a bit tight. I made it a bit tight so I could trim it back. You can always take it off. So I need to trim this bit in a bit more so it fits round there. Don't know what I'm going to do there. Maybe tuck it under. I don't know. Maybe get a trim to go on there to finish it off, and then down here another trim on there as well. Maybe carpet that, or yeah, probably carpet that, and then put them trims back on there and put this in place and fasten it down. And I'm waffling.